To fix the problem with Forza Horizon 6 crashing or startup or not starting at all, first of all, we're going to cover the most basic things that you should do, and then I will show you more advanced, let's say, things that you should try to do to fix this issue. Let's start with the drivers. So you will need to make sure that you have a newest drivers for your graphics card. So open a app for the card that you own. For example, if you have AMD, go for AMD app. If you have NVIDIA, then go for NVIDIA. Intel, go for Intel. So we're gonna open this specific NVIDIA app, and then in the drivers section, we need to make sure that we have newest driver. Click on the download right here, and when it's done, you can restart your PC. That is the basic thing. Next thing that you should do if the game is crashing, then right click onto your game on Steam or Xbox app and go to the options right here and properties next. Then in installed files, we'll be able to verify integrity of our game files. Make sure to do that. Then when this didn't help as well, there's one last thing that should help you. Open Microsoft Store on your PC and look for the Xbox app. If you're playing on Steam, this will specifically help you. So make sure that you have Xbox app installed and that you have the newest version for it. Open this app and log into your Microsoft account, and when you're logged in, you'll be able to actually play the game. So start the game when you have Xbox app in the background, and then make sure to allow everything that will pop up on your screen. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.